So Joe said to bring these to Joe.
Joe said to bring these to Joe. All right, cool. My name is Joe Weaver, and I'm a metal fabricator. Today, when me and Dan started working together, we tackled prepping some parts. As the parts came off the plaza table, I showed Dan how to prep them and get them ready so we can tack and weld them together. So after a little guiding, he just went after it and got me some parts, and we started assembling pieces.
So on this side, you're just tacking?
Yep. I will, just one tack.
Okay.
Allows for alignment, and we'll be good to go from there.
Okay.
The prep work we did on the pieces cleans up any oxidization that happened to the metal while it was stored. A clean weld surface is critical to a quality weld.
When we assembled the halves of the rear frame, everything lined up really well. Again, that's, tribute to the tracker system and Joe's programming being spot on. Once the first frame rail was done, we started on the second. They're a mirror image of each other, so the process just started over.
Once we finished the rear portion of the frame, it was time to dress the center section of the frame. So we measured, we pre-measured, and we started cutting our cross members.
Once they were both together, clamped them together, final check to make sure they were the same, and they were ready to get tacked to the chassis.
What started this morning as a sheet of flat metal will look and hold as if it were square mandrel bent tubing. Creativity just took a big leap forward.
If you get